Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another unboxing for you guys, and this time it's gonna be two things from Aukey. If you guys have seen one of my other videos about Aukey's, I have unboxed one of their other products. I believe it was another power brick, but this time, since it was Amazon Prime Day, it has passed now, but since it was Amazon Prime Day, I had purchased two of their products. They were at a very cheap price, and I believe this power bank right here is still at a really nice price. It's still discounted, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, I'm gonna leave down links below, and you can check it out from there. So I have two products from them this time. I have a 20,000 milliamp hour universal power bank. So there's some USB-C ports, USB-A ports, and whatnot, what you'd expect from a power bank. And I also have a 36-watt wall charger. They both use USB-C input, so you can connect your USB-C, and I believe it divides the power, so it's not 36 for each side. It's divided in half for both of the sides. So let me go ahead and open up the smallest box here first. I have the wall charging brick right here, so let's go ahead and open this up. So one thing I'd like to say before we begin, Aukey has some pretty simple boxes. They're just plain cardboard boxes with some prints on it, but don't get fooled by the cheap looking box. They have very nice products. I have used it before, and they're overall pretty good for their price. So pretty easy opening, nothing too much in here. Probably some of their like guarantee things and warranty. I don't know what that is. It comes in basically every Aukey box, but it's something for a warranty or whatnot, so I'm not sure. I've never checked out. So let's go look at the main product here. Let's get out this little bag. So it comes in a pretty simple bag, and then we have this plastic wrap around it. So I can find where it opens from, so let's pull that out. Okay, so it had a plastic wrap around it. This is the charging brick right here, and it's a pretty nice size. So this is my hand right here. I have a pretty average sized hand, and it's around the size of my palm, so not too big, especially for the amount of power it delivers, and for two devices at once. That's pretty nice. So it has a nice color. It has an orange color on the insides of the USB-C input areas, and it has the logo on the side. It says Aukey right there, and that's about it. It's what you'd expect. It has a foldable wall. Oh, I just forgot what that was. It has a foldable wall plug, and that's overall very nice. So you don't, let's say you put it in your bag and whatnot, you sit on your bag and you accidentally bend it, you're not going to have that problem with this. So nothing too big about this, but it's overall it looks like a pretty solid product. It's very solid in the hand, pretty nice build quality and whatnot, and it delivers a pretty fast amount of charge. So now that we're done with the power brick, let's move on to the 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. So I believe I got this for around 30 bucks USD, and you'll probably, if the deal is still up, I'm gonna go ahead and leave down links, and if it is still up, you'll be able to check it out. If the links are still up, you're gonna be able to get this for around 30 bucks, which is a really nice price for something this big and with fast charging. So let's see if there's anything. Nope. Again, it's a plain box. So let's go ahead and pull this. Okay, so we gotta pull this out real quick, and voila, we are presented by the power bank. So if you've noticed the trend, the boxes and the things inside of it, they look pretty similar. They come in this plastic pouch. The boxes are very similar. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside this box. So there's nothing under this. We have another one of these code thingies, I guess. We have our USB-A to USB-C charging, so you can charge up your device, and you can also use this to charge up your phone and whatnot. So those are what's included inside the box. So let's go ahead and put that to the side again and check out the main product. Take it out this little bag. Okay, so this is a hefty boy. It's pretty big. Slim. It's not too thick. It's very slim. Let me go ahead and get my phone real quick if I can get it. Okay, so I have my S10 Plus right here, and let me go ahead and just take out that case. So it's around 2.5 phones when comparing it to my S10 Plus. So yeah, it's around 2 phones, maybe not even. So it's not too thick. It's pretty nice size. It is a little big though, as you can see, but it is going to provide you with tons of power, tons of juice. If you're going on road trips maybe, or you're going out camping, this is going to be very nice. And especially having it being slim, you're going to be able to put it in one of your pouches in your backpack or whatnot, so that's very nice. Let's go ahead and check out the ports. So if we can get it to focus. Okay, so we have two USB-C. Let me try and get that to focus. I don't know why that's not focusing. So, okay, so we have two USB-C ports right here, one right here and one right here. And then we have three USB-A ports. So that's a ton of ports. And also we have another port right here. I believe it's a micro USB. Yeah, that's a micro USB. So if you have a micro USB charging cable, you're able to charge that up with this right here. So as I said, I haven't tested these products out, but they look, the build quality, it feels pretty nice. They're pretty slim. They look real nice. And for the price, as I said, they're pretty nice products. So that's about it, guys, for this video. It was a pretty quick unboxing. I just want to talk about these things I just purchased for Prime Day and want to share these items with you guys if you guys are interested in power banks or power bricks. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.